Hey, this is Eric from Satisfied Incorporated, and today I wanted to talk about the infamous hazard switch. Mostly they're found on like E21, E23. E12s can have problems. There's a bunch that have problems. People come up with fixes like this where they're zip tied together. Very common to also throw a toothpick in there and jam it closed, do whatever. But what I want to show you today is I want to show you how we can just take this and we can break this thing open and we can fix it. So this one's broke. Oh, well, there you go. I was going to say it's not broke right now, but it usually is. So this is what happens, and then it pops open, and then you have your hazards on permanently. And then that's why you stick a toothpick or a zip tie in there or whatever. So we're going to take this apart. I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix. So first things first, let's go ahead and grab a screwdriver. There are little tabs that we're going to pry open all around the outside of this. So you'll want to be careful when you're prying this open, just to not let it go all over the place, because it should be spring loaded in there. And you don't want to lose your stuff. You don't want to have it go everywhere, and you want to make sure you know the order of everything that it goes in. So kind of take your time. There we go. So this just came apart. And so if we take it apart carefully, right, so we're going to have this piece here. Just set that to the side. And then you got your spring in here. It's going to go right in the middle. See this tab in here? Maybe you can see it now. So what you're doing basically is that tab does not engage in this little maze. So we want to just kind of bend it until it does engage. You don't have to be anything crazy. Just a little gentle push in there. And then let's just put it back together and see what we think about that. So when you put it back together, you're going to line up that tab you pushed with the maze, obviously, right? So I'm going to push that together. And then if you lost how to put this back together, a little divot right here, and that divot wants to go together, obviously. Okay. See if it worked. Okay, it's on, it's off. 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 So it's really that simple. You just bend that tab in, and then this thing works again. Okay, and then so this is the one that somebody zip tied together. That was their fix. So this is obviously broken, and I got this with the car. I've never tried to fix it because I've always had spares, and I just threw a new one in. So just for fun, let's see if I can fix this one. Let's see if it works. Well, that's kind of funny, right? Because it's working. So whatever, we'll just take it apart and we'll see what kind of trouble I can get into. Okay, so this one's the same thing. You know, I'm just going to bend this tab in just a hair. Just bend it in a touch like that. Let's put our spring back in. Put this on top of the spring. And then we're going to find the maze right here. And then we're going to line that up with our little thing that we just bent in. Sometimes I bend it a little too much, which I think is fine. There we go. We're going to line that little nipple up with this little indentation. Makes it easy to find. So there we go, slapped it together. See if this thing works. Okay, well, it works. So I see people online constantly trying to find new hazard switches, and a lot of time that's all you gotta do. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe or check out my site. Do something. I'm bringing these videos to you for free. So if you want to support me or just tell someone about me, do whatever, and it would really help me out. And if you just like to freeload on YouTube, I do that a lot too, so I'm forgiving of it. So go ahead and do that too. Thanks for watching.